closest to pad for the high power. Hold on, wait a minute. A-L-E. Alright, I got that. Alright. Pad 5. Alex. Yeah, Alex has his rocket named Citrus. Going up on an H-242. This is a level 1 certification attempt. Pad 5 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
Straight as an arrow. Man, right at the top. Yeah, record that delay time. You'll need that again.
What delay was it?
I have no idea.
Kevin, what pad are you on?
7.
7. Alright, pad number 7. Kevin has his NORAD Pro Max on an F50. Pad 7 going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like you just like made a small advance.
Nice whistle.
The thing. Really? Just like a slight shadow advance. I don't know. I've never heard of this kind of motors, so I don't know. But hey, it'll land side by side.
Nice.